Hello, hello, hello. Cindy, Lynn, and Tony here with RVBarndominium. See that tree back there? We call it the Halloween tree, but it's going bye-bye. So
right on the edge of the driveway. We've been staring at it for years, so
yes,
time to go.
It's hideous, but we nicknamed it the Halloween tree. Today is the day we decided this is what we do for fun on the weekends. It's stuff like this. So we're getting at it today. We're going to take you guys along for the ride. Okay, so this is the Halloween tree that we were talking about, and I'm going to show you why we want to get rid of it. So here's the road. It's right at our entryway. So here's our gate, and there's our pole barn up there. So everything's right as you come through, and it looks crazy. We're right here at our entryway. So there's the front of it. Sure is pretty today. Our mailboxes are right below the limb that he's trying to get. So we're trying to keep him off of that. And then we have our garbage container made out of wood below that, but it doesn't look like that is really in the fall range. So I think we're really only worried about cars coming by and mailboxes. Luckily we're in the country. So we do have a lot of cars today though, more than usual. I'm afraid your string's gonna break, Tony. We need a chain. Car's coming. Oh, car. There's a car, and the limb was falling. I had a little uh-oh moment there. In this part of the video, it's a little hard to see, but a limb had fallen on an overhead cable line. So Tony's taken an extended limb cutter down just to try to move the small piece of limb that was catching on that wire. I was in the road just to help stop traffic in case a car came by while we were trying to do that. And then this part of the video coming up, again, it's still hard to kind of see what's going on since the video camera is setting back just a little bit further. He is finishing up cutting this limb that is still, it's actually tethered with a string, but at one point the limb actually falls and hits him in the top of the head. Luckily, he has his safety gear on. As you can see, he's wearing a helmet. Thank goodness, because it did hit him pretty hard on the top of the head. Bye.